Hey, you a virgin?
What?
Are you a virgin?
I don't know. Ask your little sister.
I don't got no little sister.
We'll see in 9 months.
Front yard plinking. Yeah, we copying Demolition Ranch now because that's what
It's demo, by the way, not demo. Demo.
It's Demolition. We're copying Demolition Ranch now, but we're gonna do it with airguns. Today we're gonna see how many. Okay. Over here we're gonna see how many 7.7 pellets it takes to go through about 100 diapers. We got a bunch of different calibers actually. Well, no, we only got 2 calibers because poor people can't afford more than 2 calibers. So if you don't like it, click off the video. But first, we're gonna explode some sour cream with a 7.7.
Breaking the stuff already.
My little brother painted his gun. This is Crossman F477 going 1,200 feet per second using, I don't even know what the top is.
Tops in the house somewhere.
Something normal 7.7. Oh, there we go. I don't know the grams. It's not telling me, but y'all know what it is. It's pointed, not a hollow point. I'm gonna say pull my jacket. Ready? You got this? Ready, set. Pretty good. Let's go assist the day.
Yo, you have sour cream right there, bro.
Cook clean on like share. Alright, we did shoot it twice.
Second time's a charm.
I think I know. I think I shot it. Yeah, here I shot it in the top, right here. Shot it right here. And the second time, I know I shot it. Yeah, there goes the second time.
It's the exit.
No, that could be the exit. I know I shot close to the top the first time, so I probably just skimmed over it.
I wonder where the pellet's at.
So yeah, this is
Not really. It's just sour cream, but hey,
I don't need it. Well, next, the dippers.
the DIPP ears.
We're gonna
Shoot the leg off the camera.
You're gonna shoot the leg.
Your low quality 0 megapixel camera. Come on.
We'll clean up the table later on. Next, we're going to. Now y'all on a small camera. Well, now we finna shoot the diapers. See if this 7.7. Well, not this one first. We're gonna start off with lower.
Hey, use Obras.
Yeah, I know. We're gonna start off with a lower power 7.7. Turn off the camera. This with a BB out of this Daisy rifle. I don't expect it to do much, but it's kind of copy Demolition Ranch. So this is
Demo, man.
DemoRanch. So you know this is technically the 22 of the airgun world. All right, let's go assess the damage.
That was 10 out of 10 solid hit. No misses.
It's probably didn't even go through the plastic. I heard it hit. Yeah. Okay. Here. Yeah. It hit here. Right. No.
You sure that ain't it right there? Where
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's right here. I aimed high. It's a small dent there. Can you bring it in a little closer?
How close? You think it's clear, man?
It's a small hit here. I mean, it's a BB. We got one more in here.
Golly, boy, it scared the crap out of me. It didn't come out.
Yeah, they ain't finna be no exit hole. It probably bounced right back out, to be honest. We gonna try one more time.
The sour cream remind me of school.
This stock is actually broken on this gun. It's only held down by the sharpest screw in the planet for my little brother.
Maybe we shouldn't let little kids shoot. That was, look, you and what you call it, you is all over the road.
Oh my God. Alright. Next shot. Coming in. Let's go assess the thing.
Okay.
Probably don't even got an aim, but I just, you know, to look good for the camera. Where is the hit? Here it is, right here, right on my finger. I mean, it's a BB. What you expect it to do? You can't even see the holes.
I expected to kill walruses.
Next gun, we going to a 7.7, shooting 750 feet per second. Probably not even that anymore. But this is Obres. My Chop 760. Chop. If we can get this pellet in here.
With the
Red dot gamma with no batteries in it, because I'm still too late to go buy batteries for it. My brother's about to shoot the gun. Here's how Spokesman does it. We about to get a little closer with this one. Yeah, this gun is actually old. Alright, here we go.
Whatever. It's sliding back every time you do that. But you shake so much.
1, 2 up there. One. It went through 1.
3. That's 3. 3 or 4.
Oh, found it. How many is that? 5, 6?
That was 3. You got a pallet, you guys. Totally reusable.
Pick you up, right?
Alright, next gun.
Yo. Yeah. What you doing? Ah.
Alright. Next gun. F4 Crossman F4. Did a review on it.
Did you?
Mm-hmm.
Was it good though?
It was alright. Safety off.
And this gun's supposed to be sighted in here.
Firing.
And there's cats over there now.
Behind.
Celtic.
Alright. Love this gun.
Even though it's mine. Where'd it go in at?
Where did I go?
Right there in the corner.
Oh crap. Okay, we're gonna take another shot because that was terrible.
Yeah, cause you suck. Can't sight a gun and worth your life.
Oh no, it was in 2 little pellet tins earlier today. Just straight doming them. Yeah.
What is it called? Do? And making little peanuts and you shoot one shot.
Safety off. Give me a good shot of me holding the gun because I know I look fine.
No, you don't. You like a ran over mouse.
Keep talking.
What you say?
Hmm?
What you want me to say?
A car coming?
There's a car coming. There's a Mazda.
Alright.
Oh, rat by the duck damn way, looking like a rolled over.
Woo! Alright, that was a better shot.
That's how trash you is. You make my English mess up.
Alright, how many you thinking this one went through? So the whole lot.
Right there in the bird.
Oh, it went through 1, 2, 3,
Oh, that's sour cream.
4. Ooh, already more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 and went right through.
That went through
12, 13. Let's go ahead and pull this one out.
Replace it with a new one. Just pull it out.
Come on, you got it. I'm supposed to have Lego building type of claws going on. How many layers is there to a diaper? Alright, here goes the pellet, not deformed at, well, just a little bit at the tip. Sunburnt, so you just get a little ashy. Yeah, you just want to see.
I ain't gonna cap. I thought you said assy.
I mean, either way.
Can you put another diaper in there? You can just remove one. Just remove one, bro. Just remove one.
That's packs, bro.
What made y'all actually
No, that's not sighted in.
That one's a lot stronger than the other. Alright, you guys. If y'all didn't know what gun I was going to use next, it's 22. And if y'all don't know the difference between a 22, this is a 22 compared to a 7.7. Way bigger. It's probably not as fast, but it's definitely carrying a lot more power down range. If you didn't know that. This is my Ruger 22. I really miss
Impact Max.
Ruger Impact Max Elite. A lot lighter than that gun. Same sight, blue paint scheme on it.
Terrible. Thank you.
Let's do it. Ooh, did y'all feel that?
Why'd you jump?
Nah, at kick, remember?
Oh yeah.
Alright, so this one might actually go through less. I saw, okay, this is where I hit for the 7.7. I think we gotta shoot. Oh no, it hit low.
Boy, that trash unsighted any gun.
See, that was the setup, bro. When was the last time you
I don't know. When the last time I went hunting with you?
Same. I'm like a Range Rover.
What you doing?
I can go over any terrain.
doing?
Alright. Again, aiming a little higher because I know this gun is not sighted in because I haven't used
Sighted
it.
in real quick.
I only have 2 pellets.
Yeah, crank the dial to the side in.
Whoa, did you see that? Did you see that?
Way heavy.
Mm-hmm. Hit it.
Unless you turn the camera off. Oh yeah, I turned it off. Man, don't you try to ever. You missed, I think.
Okay, I know you got it.
I don't know, let me see. No, I think you hitting it. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, we did hit it.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind.
Down here twice.
Twice here than the one that was up there.
Alright, let's see how many it went through, you guys.
No, 3 down here and then 1 up there.
Yeah, okay, so we were hitting. It just didn't make, I guess the 20, I guess I was expecting to make a noise like the 22 did.
22 is big.
20, but 22 is powerful, so. I'm expecting this one to go through more than all of them did. It goes, got 2 of them. No, that's just 1. So I went through 1.
That was 2.
No, that's 1. Okay, that's 2. 3. That'd be alright. I don't feel like this. 4. Okay, 1 minute. 5. 1 minute. Okay, it didn't go all the way through. That's 5. 6. Nope. Nope. Went through 6. That's it right here. Yep, here go the pellet. Went through 6.
Raw.
Good.
That's it.
That's it. Oh, well.
Hey, let's try a bat. Do a bat.
Now we would do this gun.
Yeah, except he broke it because he sucks at everything he does. That's that though.
If y'all can tell me what's wrong with this, I don't know. I didn't break it. I know I didn't. I would literally just walk around and kill squirrels with it. I have never actually dropped this one. I think it's still broken. Y'all hear that? Let me put it up close to the camera.
letting everybody.
Yeah, it's letting air out the barrel. You can feel it though.
It's always good. That's brown and the 22.
It's just, you know.
Alright. I do, huh? Watching Air Guard Ranch. We did this today. The hell is that? Oh, Salih. Oh. Well, thank you for watching Air Guard Ranch. I love you, and we will see you next time.